Hello, hello. Good evening to everyone. I would like to welcome you on today's call, which is an Travelution opportunity trading. So, as you probably guessed already from the flyer, today's call is not about the presentation. Today's call is more about understanding opportunity for all of those that already saw the presentation and made the decision that this might be the tool where I can build my secondary income. And today I will highlight some things in the presentation, the most common objections, and I will try to explain you where the true opportunity in the Travelution is hiding. So let me open the presentation first. So we will understand what is the difference between the customer and between the businessman, between the customer and person that decided to build a business with the Travelution. So as we know, the customer, of course, the businessman is also considered as a customer because aside of having the opportunity to expand the Travelution brand, expand the Travelution application among the others and getting paid for that, he can always use all of the benefits, even higher benefits than the customers have. So we will not be talking today about what is all of the things in the application and how you can use them. I believe that after yesterday's presentation, everyone understands that the AI-powered application is something that can handle most of the tasks, most of the travel functions that you might find out, because instead of searching, scrolling, and digging among tons of information, you will get everything served. So the Travelution application during the 2025 will become the super app which will replace like 10 applications in your phone. So application for booking hotels, application for booking flights, application for getting the guides, having the restaurants, landmarks, buying the tickets, ground transportation, and many, many other things like eSIM cards, travel insurances, etc., etc. So when we talk about the product, and let's now agree on this call that the product will be amazing, why I am saying that this product at the beginning will be amazing, but it will be something that we like, but in the near future, it will be something that everybody will want. And believe me, we will not be the only ones. There will be more of them. There will be becoming a standard that people will have some kind of assistance when they travel. That's why right now, when we are here at the beginning, we are here, the first one coming with this on the market, we can make sure that we can build a great business and become the number one in this industry. Every time the technology improved our lives, every time the new technology came, we became more comfortable and we became more demanding. Nobody is washing the dishes in the sink anymore. Everyone have a dishwasher, and I can continue with hundreds of examples why something that was at the beginning wow will become a part of our ordinary life that we will not even be able to imagine to live with. So this is the most crucial thing to understand the opportunity. Why the opportunity is here now when the traveling is here for the 30, 40 years, the business that is thriving, because the technology is going to again reset the industry, set the new standards, set the new expectations, and new demand. And when there is a demand of the market and you are able to supply, you always make an opportunity where you can make a lot of money. So what we are actually selling in the Travelution is an exclusive travel club. This club will have a lot of benefits. I call it the benefits because this is not, as I said, the main opportunity is not to travel cheaper, is not to have the agent. This is all the benefits that will make your traveling easier and cheaper. The biggest opportunity is, of course, in the business opportunity, because you can be the one that is among the first that is roaming the roads, talking to other people that are love in travel. And believe me, everybody loves in travel. Everybody travel at least once per year for some vacation, to give them access to travel cheaper and travel better. And here is where we're starting. We are starting with exclusive pre-sale memberships. Help me understand to them. These pre-sale memberships are here until 8th of March. So until 8th of March, people can get the biggest benefits. After the pre-sale, you will not find up revenue share pools here, and you will find it lower there. So it means that once you became the member, right now you will always have bigger benefits. What is very important to understand and also explain to people when you are doing your presentation is that Travelution rewards loyalty. It means the longer you will be the member of the Travelution exclusive travel club, the more of this application revenue share pool you can have. And when we are talking about the streams of income, we are talking about enormous potential. So once again, always, many times, maybe you was on some meetings, many times you did some meetings and you were talking about the potential of the business. At the beginning, always potential doesn't look like it is or it looks too good to be true, but always try to explain to your client to imagine that he would be with someone on the meeting 15 years ago talking about Netflix opportunity to having just a very small tiny piece of share from the application subscription. And 15 years ago, when the technology of streaming was not even close to be a standard, so we are talking about the situation where there was a VHS, these videotapes or DVDs. So about streaming, nobody was even dreaming, and when we are talking about this potential, maybe people now think, okay, we are doing booking.com, we are doing Expedia, we are doing many other things. We can handle with what we have right now, what we are used to use. But believe me, in the future, none of this will be used. And people will want the new way, which will be much easier to tell to your AI or to write to your AI, I go to Dubai from the 15th of November until 27th of November. My budget is $2,000. Find me hotel, flight tickets, and book me 2 tables in some romantic restaurant because I travel with my wife, and everything will be done for you in minutes or in seconds, and this will become the standard. And this is where the Travelution have the biggest potential. Because when you look right now on all of these rankings of the companies that are making the biggest revenues in the subscriptions, you will not even find the travel category because there is nothing like this. So we are here, we are among the first, and that's why we have enormous potential. Why? Because community is our competitive advantage. There is very big a very big difference between user and community. When user loses service, he will simply move without questioning to the other. But when the community is from the commitment, when people will lose access to something they love, they are questioning why and they're trying to bring it back. And this is what we are doing. So when you will be explaining the Travelution potential, first, it's fresh opportunity. There is a huge earning potential. There is a potential of the huge growth, but the most important is this is not based on the users, but it's based on the community. And when we are talking about the community, this is where the true potential lies about. When we are talking about the AI, Elon Musk was saying like 6 months ago in one video about the AI, and he was explaining how the AI already exhausted all of the knowledge, all of the written books, all of the songs, all of the videos. I mean, maybe not the TikTok videos when somebody is dancing, but everything that has some kind of important information, how all of this information was already exhausted 1 year ago. It means that AI knows everything. And as you might observe, if you are a bit in the tech, if not, you will observe it very soon. Believe me, this age is coming. There is something being created that is called the AI agents, the AI solutions that can replace human work for more of this repeating work and do it instead of them. And there is an official statistic which is saying that about 38% of the job positions will extinct by 2030. 38%. So this is another thing why people should think about the building of second stream of income, because you never know what will come in the future. And if you are, for example, employed as a concierge in the hotel, believe me, there will be a concierge which is much cheaper, which is never tired, which is always in the best attitude, and which do no mistakes. and it will be AI powered. So automatization we can see everywhere. Now it is going to the next level. And this is why you can explain to all of your people that all of the traveling, all of the benefits is great, but the biggest potential is here. And maybe you will get the questions, but why you grow through the compensation plan? It looks like this scheme and that scheme, you know how people think about the network marketing. Well, it's always an easy argument for that. When somebody is marketing, for example, a toothpaste, it is a TV channel that is getting paid. It is a billboard company that is getting paid. It is a city light company that is paid. A radio station that is advertising that is getting paid. So you can leave this money for all of these conventional marketing strategies that are building users, or you can give all of this money that are being spent for marketing to the people and build the community. And as we said, the community is the biggest competitive advantage of Travelution. That's why there is a compensation plan, and that's why Travelution is having the opportunity for each and every person that will help Travelution grow the community, and the tool is called the compensation plan. So compensation plan works very simple. You should be able and learn yourself before the presentation all of the numbers, so you do not need to calculate in front of the people what is direct bonus, what is fast start bonus, what is matching bonus, what is team bonus, how they work. I believe that the direct bonus everyone understands. It's so simple. I will sell something for $1,500 and 7% is immediately coming to my wallet as a compensation. When we are talking about the team bonus, not many people are using the power of team bonus in the sales. And believe me, in the team bonus and correct explanation of the team bonus is the biggest power, because you never know when you are building the team who will join your team in the future. We all know when we look at these rank rewards that there are network marketing companies, including Mavi, where people have the ranks of Crown Diamond, Double Crown Diamond. There are ambassadors. There is one royal ambassador with a reward of $750,000. There is so many Black Diamonds with the extra reward of the $30,000. And these people are achieving these ranks in the less than 1 year. So it means when they compare the yearly annual salary to the opportunity that people can build and starting as a side job, we can talk that for many of those people, this will become a main job and they will get paid even more. And these people that are really know how to build the communities, the next Black Diamonds, next Crown Diamonds, next Double Crown Diamonds, doesn't need to come from you. They can come from your friend, from some traveler that you introduce the Travelution to. And thanks to the team bonus, you will be able to get paid. You will be able to get compensated that this person came there thanks to you, because you introduced it to one person, second person introduced it to another person, and this another person got a Double Crown Diamond. So it means that if there is a qualification for the Double Crown Diamond of 10 million in the turnover, you can be sure that if you have a good legs, I mean good teams on the other side, that there will be around 1 million in rewards for you. And this is where we are talking already about very serious money. And believe me, in the industry, there are serious money to be made. Why I love Travelution, why I choose to go and focus all my energy to Travelution is because it's very simple. The traveling doesn't need much explanation. When you work with health supplements, you need to know a lot of information about human body, how the thing works, how this supplement can improve the quality of their life. When you work with a tech, you need to learn a lot of technical things that many people don't understand, and what people don't understand, they might get scared of. They might get to the point when they tell you no to the opportunity. But when we are talking about the travel, there is not so much information to be explained about the product. It's a simple application and in the same time super powerful. It can replace many applications, many other services that you have in your phone right now. It can allow you to travel cheaper. It can allow you to plan your trips much more accurate. It can allow you to travel and experience like a local, because the locals, not the TripAdvisor, when the all of these platforms, which we are not using in the cities where we live, we are using it in the cities where we travel. So instead of having the ranking from the travelers, you have rankings for the locals. There is really a lot of benefits. But once again, when you switch on your presentation, switch always to the business and try to explain to your customer why this business opportunity is great and how you can help him to build this business and grow this business with him. So when we are talking about the goals, yeah, people might ask you, so why you think that the Travelution is having so great potential? Yeah, always tell it's because the demand on the market, the demand where solution like this will become a standard. So it means that everybody will use it at the end. Will be here very soon. Maybe it will be in 1 year, maybe it will be in 2 years. And this is the unique window of opportunity because we already have it. We are already there, so we can already go and pitch the people around us that look, we have this type of solution which can make your traveling easier. But look at one more thing. There is a second part of this, the product that I say that everybody needs, and this is the money. And then it's only about showing them the bigger picture, how they can make money. It's not about making money out of the application revenue share. It is always about making the active income first. And they will ask you, and isn't the network marketing about the passive income? Everybody is promising the passive income. Well, passive income can be created only through the activity. First year, first meetings are always the active income. You have to actively search for the new prospects. You need to make your name list and make it at once. Go through your phone, don't be picky, write down all of the names, and then start calling people if they love to travel, and be very clear in your intention. Tell them you are asking about this because right now you started with the opportunity which is providing the benefits of the travel, but there is much more that you want to show them. This is, the compensation plan. Schedule the meeting, do the presentations, and this is called active income that you will have as a reward. But when it comes to the passive income, when you will deliver the service to someone and this someone will be satisfied and the membership is for 1 year, after 1 year you will not need to pick the phone and call him again. You will not need to go on the meeting once again. This person will just renew his membership. And when he renew his membership, you will get paid. So this is what we call the passive income already. You do not need to go everywhere and you will get paid again for the job that you did 1 year ago. When you are asking me how I am so sure that people will be renewing, well, if we will do this right, then every single person will always invite 2, 3, 4, 5 members, even the normal people, because they are meeting with someone constantly. So the first motivation is, of course, they like the service. They were able to save money with their family on their travel. But again, what is even bigger motivation is where the true opportunity lies, and this is in creating the income. They know if they will renew their membership and their members will renew their membership, they will get paid again. So there will be always multiple reasons why people will stay with the Travelution, because Travelution will grow. Travelution will year by year show the better self. Year by year, it will be able to provide the better services. It will be bigger company, more recognized company, and people will be proud that they are part of it since the beginning. And this is your way to the passive income. First, start with the activity. There is no passive income, no money from the sky are falling anywhere on this planet. Always it's about activity. Once again, activity, activity, activity. So if you are questioning yourself, I already started. I was already on 1, 2nd, 3rd training. Every time I got some kind of information, I wrote something down, but I'm still not able to build my organization. Then it's the best. Then you will find your sponsor, the person who invited you. And if your sponsor is also a beginner, then go a big higher and talk to your upline. There will be always someone in the organization who already have a lot of experience, who will be more than happy to teach you how to work. Well, in the corporate, your uplines don't like to teach you what they know because then they're afraid that you will replace them on their chair. But in this industry, believe me, every single upline have the biggest interest to teach you as much as he can, to help you as much as he can to grow, because in this industry, we are always growing together. Company is growing only when its community is growing with it. So I still have a 5 minute. I always promise that this will be very short 30 minutes training, and on every training I'm providing some kind of informations. On the next Tuesday I will show you how the opportunity can be even more boosted in the last weeks of the pre-sale. Well, we have the launch on the 8th of March, and I would like to invite you all to launch event, which will happen in Budapest on the 8th of March. You can find the link for the tickets in the Telegram group, and believe me, it is worth to go there, because you will understand even more from all of the information that were hidden during the pre-sale period, and it will help you to understand even more why Travelution will achieve all of its goals and why it will become one of the giants in the industry. And again, I'm here with the opportunity. Now you can be part of it. So thank you very much. I hope that you got a bit of more understanding where the opportunity is hiding in the Travelution. Don't think too much about travel. Don't promote too much about travel. You can promote, but when you come to your prospect, talk about business. This is what will get them and yourself to the higher level. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you once again on the Monday Travelution opportunity presentation. Goodbye.